How to add or remove bookmarks in Gaming Hub on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Gaming Hub app and click on this three dot icon and click on set and click on this first option, bookmarks. If you want to add bookmarks, so click on this plus icon, and if you want, you will add shortcuts, app shortcuts, pictures and web pages. If you want to add web pages, if you want to add picture, so add picture from here. If you want to add shortcut, app shortcut, so you will see app shortcut add. If you want to remove, click on this plus icon and remove, click on delete. You will see shortcut is bookmark is delete. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add or remove bookmarks in Gaming Hub on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.